Good afternoon. Here today again on this Saturday, I am with my mother Dr. Krishna Saxena and with my wife Renu Adawar, who's sitting on the side. After a lot of requests, she has agreed to say some words today as she was not well. And today what she's going to say is something which is happening at the moment, very current. And it is her experience of above 9 decades which speaks out and comes out through her words. So therefore I insist that this experience of 9 decades and whatever she feels over the 9 decades, she must say. It's also her birthday on the 15th, and so this would be a very special video. Please share it with as many people as you can. Over to Dr. Krishna Saxena. Mummy.
Whenever such a disease takes place, like Canora that is taking place, it is always a curse from the divine. It is a divine curse that is taking the lives of so many. And in such an instance, what we should do is to sympathize with each other. But instead, what do we see? Just take the example of the best hospital. The best hospital in the city, main city of India, Delhi, and a very high rated hospital, namely LNJP. I was stunned to see the condition over there. The dirt on all sides. No one there to clean it up. Leave that. There was nobody to attend to the patients. The call of the patient went unattended. They kept on calling and calling unless they went themselves and died on the way. Dead bodies were found in 1 or 2 rooms when I went to see. These dead bodies were picked up and put in the wagon that was meant for carrying the dirt. I feel so sorry that we are not in a position to give dignity to the human being even in death. If we are failing to give the dignity to poor while they are alive, at least we should give a dignity to them in their death. But even that is not coming. The whole hospital is empty, right from the top to the bottom. No doctor could be seen, no attendant could be seen, nobody was there. Only few servants, only few patients lying dead. It was a horrible sight that brought tears in my ears, that brought tears in my eyes, and I really wept to see what is happening. So much of the examinations are being done. These committees are made, discussions are made, and this is what is the result. This is what we are getting for the tax that we are paying. We are paying lakhs, and this is what we are getting in return from the government. The government should take care and listen to our complaints and not to the complaints of the politicians.